Hi, my name is James. I'm a co-founder of H2OZ. H2OZ is a new bottled water company. Before H2OZ, I'd worked in many various management roles, including being a director of a commercial building developer. Fellow co-founders of H2OZ are Alice, Will and Jake, in which our team is diverse, hardworking, and come with a range of specialty background experience that is a backbone to H2OZ's rise and development. Our range of water include a 2 litre bottled water, 600 milliliter sparkling water, and 600 milliliter flavoured water. What makes H2OZ stand out from many competitors in the bottled water industry is our Australian-made integrity, prestigious quality and brand, unique packaging, and detox benefits from drinking the water. Here at H2OZ, we take pride in providing quality and health benefits to our customers. Besides our detox and health benefits from drinking the water, our innovative features in our waters is a unique shape and size of the 2 litre bottled water. The reason for this is because the average Australian healthy person is recommended to consume 2 litres of water a day. On our 2 litre bottled waters is marked the time of the day and the amount of water the person should have consumed by that time. This ensures they are on track to achieving the recommended daily water consumption. The flavoured bottled water provides a healthy water alternative to those sweet tooth customers, while still containing detox and weight loss features. Same for our sparkling water range for those who like the fizziness in drinks. Flavours in the flavoured water range will include strawberry green tea, lemon lime, and grapefruit. Our entire range of products shall be introduced into the market all at the same time with big promotions and marketing strategies in an attempt to penetrate the market. We want everyone to know about the new H2OZ brand when it goes onto the shelves. There is no doubt H2OZ will succeed with forecasts and trends in Australia in favour of bottled water producers. For example, 4.9 million Aussies drink bottled water every year, and the industry is expected to be worth about 500 million a year, with an expected annual rise of revenue by 2.9% over the next 5 years. Anyway, that's my part. Now on to Alice.
At H2OZ Water, we have identified our marketing strategy that will allow us to penetrate the market and dominate as soon as we enter. As part of our marketing strategy, it is important to assess who our competition are. In the bottled water industry, we have identified that our three main competitors are Mount Franklin, MyZone and Pump Water. From these three competitors, we have chosen Mount Franklin as our main competitor. They are also offering flavoured waters, plain water and sparkling water. However, our take is a lot different as we are very, very interested in targeting the fit and healthy population with our flavoured waters offering detox and healthy benefits. The comparison between Mount Franklin is both are made in Australia, which is also another large marketing point that we are going for. However, Mount Franklin do not offer the range that we do. Mount Franklin dominate the market share in the plain water industry, whereas in the flavoured water industry, it was a company called OZ. Our marketing strategy is to target both of these sectors and dominate as soon as we get in. As part of our marketing strategy, it is important to identify who you are targeting. Now, firstly, we've chosen to target the mums of young children that are very into health and fitness and looking to offer these products to their children. And the second segment is young people aged 17 to 25, females and males, who are largely into health and fitness. In an effort to identify who our target market are, we've conducted market segmentation, which involves setting the market out into geographical, behavioural, demographic and psychographic categories. So these are all mainly based in Melbourne on people that are very, very interested in health and fitness, aged 17 to 25. As a part of our marketing strategy, we have teamed up with Commando Steve. Commando Steve is very close relative to one of the people in our business, and he is well known for his work on The Biggest Loser as a personal trainer. We thought that this person would be perfect to be at the face of our brand, as he is a very, very popular and well-known Australian celebrity. Commando Steve has offered to give us discounts on this because he is very close with one of our employers. part of his contract with us is that Commando Steve will, on his shows such as The Biggest Loser, will show himself drinking our products, giving them to The Biggest Losers, which is associated with weight loss and fit and healthy lifestyle. Another thing is that we've also got billboards placed around the CBD of Commando Steve drinking our drinks, and then also we have done some TV advertisement with him, which will launch when our product is launched. We have alliances within our business with a company called Brickwood. Brickwood are a manufacturer who do environmentally friendly bottled water bottles, which is what we are targeting. Part of our strategy is to really emphasise the fact that we are Australian and then we protect the environment and we are fit and healthy. The alliance with Brickwood, all their bottles are biodegradable, and we've got a contract with them. So how the manufacturing works is that Brickwood manufacture the water bottles, and then we then give them to us. We then fill them and then distribute to our distributors. Part of our distributors, we've already got contracts with Coles, Safeway, and mainly we've got a few with the vending machines around the train stations and around the city, and then later on we're going to try get to IGA and places like that. In the future, we see very positive for H2OZ water. Our future prospects is to invest in water dispensers, so the ones that you find in certain little offices where you take it out in like a doctor's office where you just dispense the water, and these dispensers are also going to be manufactured by Brickwood, so we've already got the contracts ready and the water, and we're just going to, as soon as we've penetrated the market, this is our second step, which is very positive because we're very planned and we've got everything organised for our business. Water dispensers will be serviced. We've got field engineers that will do this for us. Now, you need to invest in H2OZ water because with marketing is off the hook. We're ready to go. Please invest.
Manufacturing, as we meet a strict set of requirements as detailed in the ABWI model code, natural spring water will be transported from each spring water source, where the mineral quality of the water is able to accord with Australian market expectation to the bottled water plants. Also, the biodegradable water bottles produced by Brickwood will be used in the plants. The water will then fill the bottles and the label, then distribute to the retailers. For the life cycle part, the bottled water manufacturing industry is in the mature phase of its life cycle. There has been a slowdown in the industry product innovation and introductions. Instead, there has been greater focus on marketing existing lines, manufacturing efficiency, and brand consolidation, which are indicators of an industry in the mature stage of its life cycle. Given the largely homogeneous nature of industry products, competition has been based on cost with less emphasis on innovation through new products. Australia's consumption of bottled water is low by international standards, which provides some room for growth over the coming 5 years. In addition, consumer acceptance of bottled water consumption has increased. In order to increase manufacturing efficiency, we will improve quality control and automate and computerizing production process. Also, we will introduce significant changes in product packaging, which have significantly altered restrictions on portability and storage. In terms of the supply chain, there are 6 key buying industries at all. Soft drink and prepackaged food wholesaling in Australia. Wholesalers are the primary intermediary between manufacturers and retailers. Supermarkets and grocery stores in Australia. Online ordering systems have enabled some large supermarket chains to bypass wholesalers and buy bottled water from manufacturers. Convenience stores in Australia. Convenience stores, including petrol stations and 24-hour chains such as 7-Eleven, represent a key channel for growth of single-serve bottled water. Department stores in Australia, department stores such as Kmart and Big W retail mainly multi-packs and large bottles of water. Restaurants in Australia, retail premium spring and mineral waters, including imported brands. Pubs, bars, and nightclubs in Australia. These establishments purchase bottled water in large volume for sale to patrons. As for facilities, in regards to business locations, industry enterprise are concentrated in the eastern states of Australia, especially in main popular centers. The more densely populated states of New South Wales, Queensland, and Victoria are harbors to the majority of business, accounting for 73 of industry enterprises. We decided to choose Victoria as our business source, as industry products are huge with low value. Production is more likely to be located close to capital city and pivotal buying markets to minimize distribution time to customers and lower transportation costs. This trend tends to continue as companies aspire to reduce the environmental effects of distributing industrial products. As for the manufacturing space and the remote offices, there are 6 reasons we choose the place. Visibility. The plant is visible from major roads and can be easily located. Competition. There are less competition compared with other location options. Costs. The base rent as well as the cost of security, building maintenance, and utilities is not expensive there. Power. The location has enough power for the business needs, both in terms of power supply, number of power outlets, and circuit capacity. Accessibility. The location has good road linking it with the target customers and enough parking space and the facility requirements. The area meets our requirements in terms of space and available facility. As for networking, we will implement a website for both current and future customers. People will get information about our company and products through this website. To accommodate for those who cannot get access to our online service, there will be a direct telephone line to our main office where our sales and administrative staff will render a service. In regards to the proposed staff, there are 9 roles at all, which are president, plant manager, human resources, and admin manager, merchandise manager, sales and marketing manager, production workers, and client service executive and accountants, distribution truck drivers. We aspire to commence recruitment primarily in 2 main methods. The first one is the traditional hiring method. This involves the age-long process of running recruitment advertisement, screening applicants face-to-face, conducting exams and interviews, training chosen prospects, etc. The second one is the online recruitment method. In this case, all the processes listed in the method above will be conducted, but they will be done online, thus saving cost, time, and resources. Compared with regional workers, local workers are more reliable because they know when and how to fulfill the task. We intend to recruit primarily from within the state of Victoria as the company starts to grow and expand. Workers from other cities within Australia will be recruited. Nevertheless, while the company looks to develop further out into Australia, employees from other countries where there is a cheaper labor will be focused on. the last part is advisory board. The youth advisory board will include 3 to 4 board appointed members, one youth coordinator, one youth counselor, and some experienced members. In the event of a deadlock, the board of trustees hold an additional vote over the remaining advisory board members.